Hello guys, so we are back in Intro Maker, the same app where I made a video how to tell you how to make intros and outros. But this is a little different because I'm just going to say how to make like cute and aesthetic intros. So like let's take this one for example. Get rid of that. So you just have your template here. So it's just palm trees, and then that's when the cute little stars start coming in. We're going to tell you how to make a cute intro so we'll all match. I actually made some already, like this one. I just chose a random template and put a cute picture over it. You can feel free to use this one if you're recording. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make cute intros. Okay, so first you just choose a random template. It can be any template. It could be an outro because you're just going to cover it up anyway. So just get rid of all the text because you're going to replace it with your own. So now you have the entire basic template. Just choose a picture to cover. It can be a cute picture that you like. Then just fill it to cover up the entire template. If you still see some of the original template, you can always go back and edit things. Then you add your text when you feel like you need it. For example, we can put a text right here. Kiki and Mimi plays. So you just put that there. Then you choose your font that you like till you have it all set. Once you're done with adding your text, you can put an animation for how it comes on, just like I described in the video how to make intros and outros. Some of them are VIP, but you can buy VIP to like do all of them. So this can just like fade, this can just come from the top, and this can just like enlarge. And you can also choose a middle one when it comes on, like this one. It can turn, or if you're making like a scary story, this one would be good too. And this is also how it can come out. It can go like that, it can go like that, or it can go like that. Then you can add some fun stickers to go with your intro. These are all the ones that I got, but you can get your own, or you can buy VIP to access everything. Once you're done picking out your sticker, then you just click the check mark like I described. And then you have your cute intro, and you can watch it. Then you press save to save it to your gallery. Another way to make this without choosing a random template, you can just go to the aesthetic place, or you can go to the cute place because they're both going to be the same. Choose your favorite one. Okay, there. Then you just do the same. another thing that I forgot you could do is you can add some music to go with it. So let's just choose a music. Once you have the music that you like, just press play and see if you like it. There's no wrong way to make an intro. So that's just an example, and then like I described, you can add a subscribe button, you can add a notification bell if you want people to turn on notifications. There are also thumb ups, a share button if you want others to see your fabulous work. Yes, I said fabulous because everybody will make at least one good video. There are also many different stickers that you can get like this. And that is just how you can make cute and aesthetic intros. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can get to 15. Because we're gonna do a special video once we hit 15 subscribers. Just something for you to know, and I'll see you next time. Bye, gamers. Wait a minute, peeps. Wait a minute. Before this video ends, I know I already said like goodbye and stuff, but before this video ends, I made some free intros for you guys that you can use in your videos. So I made these intros for you. So you can add your own text to them. And this one I think would be the best one for your channel. Like if you're just a beginner and then your first video for your channel is like, intro. Your first video is an intro. I suggest that you would use this. It says, welcome to my channel. Feel free to change the music because I don't know what music you guys like. I do not know what music you like. But if you have any music suggestions for future intro videos, you can comment down below. And I know, I accidentally kicked something with my elbow. So this is intro 1. You can screen record it, add your own text. So I'm just going to be showing all these intros for you guys. This one you add text at the beginning. And they all have a subscribe button because I'm pretty sure you're all too lazy to add your own. So yeah, I'm just going to show these free intros I made for you guys right now. Thank you for watching those intros, and just a little note, feel free to change the songs. I don't know what type of music you like, or if you would like to stick to the original music that they have, feel free to do that. So now we're really saying goodbye. Bye, gamers, and if you saw Kiki's video, just know that she's going to be uploading something soon. Okay, bye, gamers.